In this video, we'll take up question number 1 of exercise 4.1 of class 7. That is, say whether the equation is satisfied. From this exercise, I will choose and solve few examples for you so that you can solve the remaining exercise by yourself. Let's take the first example, that is x plus 3 equals 0 for the value of x equals 3. In this example, x plus 3 equals 0 is the equation and we are given the value of x as 3. In any equation, everything to the left of the equality sign is called the left hand side of the equation and everything to the right of the equality sign is called the right hand side of the equation. In any equation, left hand side is always equal to the right hand side. The values of the left hand side and the right hand side should always be the same. In this particular example, the value of the right hand side is 0. That means the value of the left hand side should also be 0. That means the value of the expression x plus 3 should be 0. We are given the value of x as 3. This means wherever there is x in the given equation, we can replace it with the number 3. Let's put the number 3 in place of x in this equation. Now the equation is 3 plus 3 equals 0. Now the value of the left hand side is 3 plus 3, that is 6. And the value of the right hand side is 0. This means the value of the left hand side is not equal to the value of the right hand side. This means the value of x can't be 3. The equation is not satisfied for the value of x equals 3. So the answer here is no. Next we'll take the sixth example from this exercise, that is 5x equals 25 for the value of x equals 5. The equation here is 5x equals 25 and we are given the value of x to be 5. In this equation, to the left hand side we have 5x and to the right hand side we have 25. The value of right hand side is 25, which means the value of the left hand side should also be 25. The value of 5x should be 25. Now 5x, we can write it as 5 multiplied by x. We are given the value of x as 5. This means wherever there is x in the given equation, we can replace it with the number 5. So let's put 5 in place of x in this equation. Now in the left hand side, we have 5 multiplied by 5, which gives us 25. And to the right hand side also we have 25. So the left hand side here equals the right hand side. Thus we can say that the equation is satisfied for the value of x, that is 5. So the answer here is yes. Now next, let's take the ninth example from this exercise. That is m upon 3 equals 2 for the value of m equals minus 6. M upon 3 equals 2 is the equation and we are given the value of m as minus 6. In this equation, to the left hand side we have m upon 3 and to the right hand side we have 2. Now let's put the value of m equals minus 6 in place of m in this equation. Now in the left hand side we have minus 6 upon 3. We can divide minus 6 upon 3 as 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. By dividing minus 6 by 3, we get minus 2 in the left hand side and the value of the right hand side is 2. Minus 2 is not equal to 2. This means the left hand side is not equal to the right hand side. So the answer here is no.